All right, let's check out some more long to short transformations. So here we have someone with mid-back length hair, and she switches it up to the chic modern bob. I love the color pop here. Very cute style. And then we see someone also rocking a bob. I love her robe. And it looks like she's kind of getting like a pixie style haircut or a 90s pixie. Ooh. Oh, wow. I love the shape and texture of this. Wow. Beautiful transformation. Wow, so we have someone here with very long hair. I'd say her hair is probably like past waistline. All right, so the stylist ended up cutting the hair into this bob. Look at all that hair she cut off. I love the angled bob, very cute. Next up, we have someone with mid-length hair. Looks like she might be getting a bob here. She seems very excited about this hair change. So this cut does involve some bangs going there in the front. We're seeing that a lot these days when it comes to bob haircuts. Oh, very nice. Simple, chic, modern bob style. I love it. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. Next up, we have a color change. Ooh, she went platinum. Oh, this is so beautiful. I love the platinum pixies. Very cute. So here we have someone with hair just around the shoulder length. And she decided to go with this gorgeous copper color and get a bob. I love the cut and color combination. Now you guys already know, if you follow this channel, copper definitely has my heart. One of my favorite trends. And then we have someone, looks like she might be doing a buzz cut here. Oh, maybe an undercut pixie? A lot of hair being cut off for this one. So it looks like she actually ended up getting just a short and sweet pixie style. Lots of texture here. And then we have a big chop. So she is cutting off her straight ends and embracing her natural curls. And this is a great way to embrace your natural hair if you do have a relaxer, or if you heat train your hair or use a lot of excessive heat. There's a nice little shape up here, very cute. Next up, we have someone with mid-length hair heading to the salon. Oh, it looks like she wants to go really short. Bob haircut. She's definitely excited. She's got some gorgeous thick hair too. And she gets a nice bob haircut. I love how much body and movement this has. And then we have another bob. Now this one does feature some bangs. Oh, she does a big chop herself. The stylist goes in and cleans it up. She gets some bangs here. Oh, I love the way he's cutting the bangs. They frame her face perfectly. And she has a bit of layers going throughout the cut as well, really making it a chic modern bob style. Wow, so pretty. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.